Get ready to smile. We're sharing the most adorable and hilarious pet moments that will brighten up your day. From playful puppies to snuggly kittens, these pets are sure to melt your heart. And let's not forget the hilarious moments that will leave you laughing out loud. Whether it's a wagging tail or a perfect snuggle, these pets know how to show love. So sit back, relax, and enjoy these cute and funny pet moments that will put a smile on your face. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to subscribe and follow our page for more adorable pet content. Stay updated on the latest pet videos and stories. Subscribe now and join the fun. This is Forever Friends. We showcase cute and funny pet moments. Please subscribe and follow the page.